Now, as we discussed during our class, sometimes we need to move the decimal point 2 places for the two numbers, not only one place. When do we do that? We do it when our divisor has 2 decimal places. Let's first rewrite our division this way. Now, as we can see, we have 2 decimal places, so we will move the decimal point 2 places in our divisor, 2 places in our dividend. We do not move it here, 2 places here and 2 places here. Now, our division will become 1001.1 divided by 235. As you can see, what we have here is dividing a decimal number by a whole number, which is something we learned before. So all we need to do is to move the decimal point up top exactly at the same place, and we continue our division normally. One more note, our divisor here is 235. 235 is a big divisor, so it might be a very good idea to make a list by multiplying 235 by numbers from 2 to 9 to have some answers ready, which will make our division later much easier. Okay, now we have our list ready here, and let's start our division. Now, which is the largest number here? That's just under 1001. It's 940, which came from multiplying 235 by 4. So the answer here should be 4. Multiply 4 times 235 equals 940, and we will subtract. The answer is 61. Now we will bring down the next digit, which is 1. So what we have here is 611 divided by 235. What's to choose from here? We will choose 470, which is 2. Now 141 is smaller than our divisor, so we will add 0 to the right here, and let's see how many times does 235 go into 1410. Let's check our list. We have exactly this number, so the answer is 6. So our answer will be 4.26. How do we know that our answer was correct? By multiplying the answer or the quotient we got, which is 4.26, by the divisor, which is 2.35. We will multiply starting from the first digit and the bottom number. Make sure you line up your numbers correctly. Now let's multiply the second number in the bottom, the second digit in the bottom number. Now the third one, and we add. Now that we have done our multiplication, we will have to place our decimal number at decimal point. Let's count the decimal places here in our two numbers. In the first one we have 2 decimal places, and the second one we have 2. So our decimal point will be placed after 4 places. Let's check our answer. Is it the same dividend we had? It's exactly the same. So our answer is correct.